Hey everybody, welcome to another badass episode of MudbugMiniTrucks.com. Check it out, today we're bringing you a treat. Today we're bringing you a 2016 Jumbo. This is that khaki green, just a really great looking little truck. It's got a few little things from hard cargo on it, wheel package and a trailer hitch receiver. It's ready to go. Truck is an automatic. Let's get it, dude. Check it out. I'm gonna just kind of go up to the front, show you what we're asking for the truck, guys. This is available on MudbugMiniTrucks.com. You can see it, AC heat, four-wheel drive. It's got an automatic. It's got about 9,000 miles and it's 18.8, guys. Truck is phenomenal condition, and it's one of the top-end G-Class trucks. As you can see, it's got the chrome bezel on the front and the fog lights. Plenty headspace for those taller guys. Just really nice. Now this one does not have a lift kit on it. This is the way it looks from the factory, with the addition of the hard cargo wheels and trailer hitch receiver. That's a little bit dirty. We've been out shooting videos just to make a trailer pulling video for the little boat, and I'll get into that a little bit more too. Check it out, guys. Remember, this is an automatic and this thing flies, man. This thing absolutely, it hauls ass, man. You put that little boat back there and it's like it's nothing even back there. Check it out, man. AC, heat. It's got the push button four-wheel drive. Just a very handsome truck. Got a CD player up here. Like I said, it's got about 9,000 miles on it. Just a great looking truck. And it is that additional cab. You can see right there, a Jumbo. It gives you about 12 inches of additional cab space, which is really nice. Look at the headspace in here, man. Just awesome. Now, I'm going to go ahead and back out a sec. I'm going to show you a little something here. And again, this is the bed. Really cool looking. The Jumbos you can see underneath here. This is the full length of the bed from here. From that point down there to the tailgate is 76 inches. But once it reaches this level, you no longer have that depth of the bed because your loading will stop here. Anyway, I'm going to just turn the camera a little bit over to this really cool looking boat. One of my employees bought this for his father. He doesn't know it yet, but this is his Christmas present. And it was plain green when we got it, and as you can see, Mudbug done got a hold of it and did some custom airbrush work all the way around. This was my gift to his father, along with a lot of additional items I did for the boat, but Mason is the one who actually purchased the boat. But looks freaking awesome. Just really pretty, guys.
That's a nice truck, man.
Thank you. I appreciate that, man. Thank you. Check it out, guys. See everybody always talking about the truck. Look at that. Anyway, guys, I won't keep you too long. Name of the little boat is called Tin Man. His dad had open heart surgery, got a new heart, and that's why he named it Tin Man. I think he's really going to love this thing. And I'm going to just kind of go in here a little bit and just kind of show you. We'll put carpet down, a little depth finder, front seat. Just a great looking little fishing rig. I mean, just think about this, man. If you got a creek or something at your house, or you got a lake at your neighborhood, man, driving your little boat, your little truck, dude, this thing is freaking just too damn cool. Look at that, man. Just too cool. Anyway, guys, if you're interested in this little Jumbo, man, it is available. I have 5 total, but this one here is probably the least expensive one I have. I think I might have one that's a little bit older, might be a little bit cheaper, but at any rate, this one is freaking awesome. And a little automatic pulls the damn shit out that little boat like it ain't even back there. Anyway, guys, I won't keep you any longer. As usual, always appreciate y'all looking. It's always good to have you. If I don't see you till later on, guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, whatever it is that brings your family joy. We appreciate your viewing. And we always appreciate your time, guys. And if you want to hit the subscribe button, you'll see the other videos we got coming out. Anyway, guys, I won't keep you no more than I have to. Just wanted to show you this little rig right before Christmas time, before it winds up in his father's hands. Just a great looking rig. Anyway, guys, I won't keep you. God bless you. Hartford, Texas. Y'all take care now.